This is the video for my task 5.2c, and in this task I'll be showing the working of the project. I'll be showing the hardware, that how my connection is working. I'll be explaining the code, and I'll be also showing the working demonstration for the project. So in this task we were asked to control the light intensity from Raspberry Pi, and we use 3 LEDs. I'll be showing the working now, and I'll be explaining the whole task through the video. Thank you. So this is the working demonstration for my task 5.2c, and now I'll be running the code. And as you can see, this is the GUI for the code. And first of all, if for example if I'll turn the green LED on, then as I'm increasing the intensity of the LED is also increasing, and as it is right now on 100, as you can see, and right now I'm just decreasing it. So right now it's 0, so it's turned on to 0. And now I'll be, for example, if I do it for the blue light, as you can see, the blue light, I'm increasing the intensity. I'm increasing it, and I'm now at 100. As you can see, it's at 100, and now I'll be decreasing it, as you can see. So I'm able to control the intensity of the light, as I was asked to do in this task 5.2c. So it's same for the red light. It's working in the GUI. So this is the working of my project, and I hope I was able to do a really good project. So this is the hardware, as you can see. So it's connected. So this red wire, it is connected to the ground, and these pins, it is connected to 11, it is connected to 13, it is connected to 15. These pins are connected to the positive terminal of the LEDs. So this is the simple connection for my Raspberry Pi and for my LEDs. It's as simple as that. So I don't have to explain anything more than this. This is the code for my task 5.2c, and in this I have given comments to each and everything, so it's easy to explain in here. I have used the Tinker library, and I have used the rpo.gpi libraries basically for the pins. I have used GPIO warning, which basically disables the GPIO warnings, and these are the pins that I have defined. So these are the outputs that I have defined for each LED: red LED, green LED, and blue LED. And in here, this is in this I have just set up the GPIO pins as the outputs, and in this I'm using I'm just setting up the PWM for each LED, and its frequency in here it's set to 100, as you can see. And in here I've used a function called as update_LEDs, in which the function is updating the LEDs of it's updating the brightness of the LEDs, that is based on the slider values. So what it is doing is it's setting the value for the red LED brightness, it's setting the value for the green LED, and it's also setting the value for the blue LED. And in here I've used a function called as exit_GUI, which is a function to exit the program and clean up the GUI resources. So these are the functions for 3 LEDs, that's using the stop function, and I'm also using it for the pins also. And in here I have added a label and a slider for the these are the sliders basically for the green LED, this is a slider for the blue LED, and this is a slider for the this is a slider for the red LED. And at the end I have added an exit button, which is basically made to safely close the program, and it is the loop which is basically running the GUI again and again. So this is the code for my task 5.2c. Thank you. So this was the video for my task 5.2c, and I hope I was able to explain everything. I've explained the working, I've explained the hardware, and I've also explained the code, and I hope I was able to explain each and everything about this task. Thank you.